Vilocity Trading Enterprise CC is a property developing company with the main focus of building affordable houses all over Namibia. Depending on the size, specification and location, our house prices start from 500,000 Namibia dollar. A 3-bedroom house with only 2 bathrooms will cost you around 600,000 Namibian dollar. Terms and conditions apply. All bathrooms are fitted with built-in cupboards. The kitchen has a built-in cupboard and a built-in stove. Our bathrooms are fitted with bathroom accessories. The windows and doors are fitted with strong burglar proofing. Because we care for the environment and believe in sustainability, we plant a fruit tree for every house we build. For more information, give us a call at 081 299 897. At Vilocity, we do not just build, we offer advice too. Vilocity Trading Enterprise CC, quality on time. Hello besties, welcome to another exciting video, and if you guys are seeing this face for the first time, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So in today's video, remember that you guys, I made a previous video about where to live in Namibia, and in today's video I'm here with Mr. Vilho. So we are going to talk about housing in Namibia, and he's just going to give us an in-depth explanation because you know there are so many questions that are going on from prospective homeowners. The next insert we are going to interview Mr. Vilho, so stay put and enjoy. Mr. Vilho, we are giving you this opportunity to introduce yourself to my people. So just tell us who you are and what you do.
Oh, I'm Vilho Amunyela. I'm a contractor. I'm the owner of Vilocity Trading Enterprises, a company that is involved in the construction of affordable houses.
What constitutes to a house?
Well, a house is just any structure that provides for shelter or accommodation.
Most of the times I hear people talking about low cost and affordable housing. So can you please tell me the difference between the two and what type do you offer from those two?
Okay, I see a lot of people talk about low cost and affordable, but the difference is very simple. It's that affordable is what you can afford, while low cost is less expensive than what you can afford. But at the end of the day, it's based on the materials that you are using as a contractor or as a client, or the type of features that you choose to use in your house.
At our company, we offer affordable houses. So what happens is that we offer what you as a client can afford. You come to us, you tell us your needs, and then we'll give you a plan based on your needs and what you can afford.
Okay. Describe the features that make up a house.
A normal house should consist of at least a kitchen, a living room, a toilet, a shower, as well as a bedroom.
Who regulates the construction or building of houses in your area?
Construction of houses is normally regulated by the town council, local authority. Those are the people given the power by the Building Act of this country to control the minimums and acceptable size.
Do I need to bring along my own plan, or do you guys offer your own house plan?
We do take both. As a client, you can come with your own plan, and we can cost it. But we have got a project that we have started last year of affordable houses, whereby we came up with plans that we costed, and then we came up with prices that are very, very, very affordable. So if you choose to use our plan, we have already attached the price to it, which is very, very affordable.
Okay, well, I'm also just curious to find out what will determine the pricing of a house.
Okay, the cost of the house is determined but actually a lot of things. But the main thing is the shape, the design, the type of material that you are using, also the finishes that you choose to use on your houses. So I give you an example. So you will find a house that is a 2-bedroom that costs in the range of 300 to 380,000. It's just a 2-bedroom. But you find another house which is also a same 2-bedroom with the same features, but then that house costs even $1 million. So the difference comes in the number, in the type of material that you choose to use as a client. So at times, as client, we want maybe a house that has got downlights. You want tiles that are imported from Italy. So you want the type of roof that maybe you saw on Instagram. So at the end of the day, that boils how much can you really can cost the house.
Do you guys only build within the local authority, or do you also build outside local authorities?
We build both in town and also in the village. But the only difference is that if you are coming to build for you in the village, you need to have cash, because once we finish, you need to pay us just once and we leave. But if we are building in town, we normally take you to the bank, and then the bank will provide you with a loan, and the bank will pay us, and then you continue paying the bank.
What advice would you give to prospective homeowners?
So always go for what you can afford, as long as it has what you need. So if you need a 3-bedroom house, be it. So don't go for the external features, because you don't live outside, you live inside. Because most of the time we want to impress people passing by and say, oh wow, look at this house. So that's not the aim. The aim is just to have a good a house that you can afford.
Okay, well, thank you for the answer. My second last question to you is, where can we find you in terms of location and also on social media?
We are situated behind Buka in Ongwediva. On social media, we are on Facebook as Vilocity Trading, and also on Instagram. So we can also be reached on our mobile number, which is 081 2999 897.
Do you offer any commission on leads?
Yeah, we do give commissions on only on successful leads. Successful lead, we mean that if you refer a client to us, and then we take that client to the bank, and then the client get approved. Once the bond is registered, then we get a go-ahead from the bank to start the house. Then we can call you in and give you a commission. But our commissions are fixed.
Okay, so I take that now that we are talking about commission, you wouldn't want to really say it out loud how much your commission is anyway.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Vilho. This was an amazing interview. So you guys, you already heard where you can find him and how to get hold of him, so just do that. Thank you so much for listening and tuning in, and see you in another one. Bye, besties.